Today we'll be viewing a very nice example of a Model 7148 UMC alternator test bench. This is a test bench that is capable of testing very large alternators, specifically in the bus industry. So it will test up to the 450 amp Delco 50DN 450, as well as the Niehoff 450 and the Almat 450 and the EMP 450 and others. All of the large city transit bus alternators, as well as coach and tour bus. On the top vise, the yellow vise, you see provisions to be able to hold the standard size alternator, as small as an automotive alternator, as large as a truck or school bus alternator. Further on the works end of the alternator test bench, you see two power takeoffs. The one on the left is for 0 to 11,000 RPMs, which we use for the 50DN Delco 270 amp 24 volt alternator you see mounted in the cradle. And on the right you see the 0 to 3,000 engine RPM or alternator RPM test power takeoff. Instrumentation on this end is digital. And so on the left here you see the voltage. We really can test from 0 to 200 volts DC, and we have provisions for external voltage testing. So we can plug two wires or cables into the banana jacks, be able to test the stator voltage and the diode trio voltage and any other voltage that might be desired. To the far right is the ammeter, which goes from 0 to 500. It actually will test up to minus 500 amps for starter motor testing or draw testing, and then up to 450 amps for the large alternators that go on buses today. The voltage on this machine is actually begins at 6 volts, will go to 12 volt and 24 volt, and again up to that 450 amps. Machine being predominantly designed for large alternators for the bus industry. Our next step is to go over to the industry standard plug arrangements. On our far right is the plugs for the positive and the negative on the alternator and test, the field wire. And then on the left here are the cables and wiring for starter testing, as well as a separate cable for the solenoid terminal on the starter solenoid, the R terminal on a starter solenoid, switches to be able to test the starter and solenoid together on the far right. On the left is a switch for just the solenoid, so you can check for engagement separately. This machine's vices are insulated so that if there should ever be the need for positive ground testing or insulated testing, the vices are insulated. The next step is to run the machine and test a very large bus alternator. We'll go to the magnetic contactor and switch the motor on. This alternator test bench allows us to full load test alternators rather than a simulation test. And using the manufacturer's specifications, as well as the Society of Automotive Engineers, we can thoroughly test very accurately the alternators used in buses today, as well as all other applications. This test bench is for sale at Bus Electrical Products. The telephone number is 262-894-5516. Please give us a call. Thank you.